Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tater with RaceShop.com. Cory's doing the drone. I'm sitting next to him checking this out. This is our facility in Eldon, Mo, 52 and 54 junction across from the truck stop in Eldon. There's Russell pulling out of one of the work trucks. This is our lot. We usually have a lot more cars than this, but we have been selling pretty good. This is our new remodeled facility that we spent quite a bit of time on doing. We're going to go in the front door. Hopefully Cory don't hit the front door. Look at that. Look at there. That's a 1948 model Diamond T. We got a Chevy 2 there. Nice 66 T-Bird, a 61 Merc, a couple engines on the right, rebuilt. We're going to go in Courtney's office. We call her Hot Rodney, but she is the magic around here. She takes care of all of us. There she is. That's Courtney. There's a nice little green, and there's Tater. That's my office. Kind of cool. Got me a cool looking desk, anything. Cory's doing great. He hasn't hit nothing yet. I say, guys, we raceshop.com. Check us out. Go online. We sell a lot of stuff on eBay, Auto Trader. That's us sitting in the chairs on the floor. This is Cory and Russell's office. They're the bosses. There's Sarah. That's Russell's wife. Cory's wife, Amy, is out running amok all the time, taking care of Cory's stuff and doing her own business. There's a 61 Merc. There's the 96 Firebird WS6 we just got in. Check us out on. There's the Firebird with the blower motor in it, and we're getting ready to switch that out into a 68 Charger. There's a 1981 pickle fork boat, and we just sold this green Lotus. It's going out Monday. Come in and check us out. We got a really, really nice showroom, as you can tell. No way. Yeah. There's a 56 Ford automatic 390. Oh.
Don't worry about that.
If you guys know Cory, he's playing right now. He's having a blast. So, ooh, yeah, don't scratch that thing. There I am, the fat boy on the left. And hello. There's our sales office, and we're going into our podcast room. We've done a lot of podcasts. We're recording right now, but sooner or later we're going to do some live podcast. I think on Monday nights from 6 to 7, but stay tuned with us on that. Cory and Russell is really into media and everything. They're young, so I'm old. There's a 1971 GMC Jimmy, frame off restoration, drag car.
Oh, hey, Courtney, can you open the back door?
That door was supposed to be open, but I guess the wind shut it, so we're taking another cruise. Oh, yeah. That's a 66 Chevy 2. I think that's a customer. There we go.
Whoa.
Whoa, slow down. He's got a hot foot. Now we're going in the back. This is our detail shop. We open one of the bay doors. We do all our detailing there. There's a 49 Lincoln Cosmopolitan that runs great and everything. We're just getting ready to fix the window motor. We're going out back. This is our lot. This is where all the magic happens on the fabrication and mechanic end. There's a 69 Charger. We're putting a LS swap in with the blower motor. There's Hunter on the left. There's Jamie on the left. We're doing a lot of brake work and everything on that square body. Like I say, we just pulled the motor in that Charger. Getting ready to put a new one in it. We're doing a diesel swap in that 71 or 72. I don't remember what the year is. We still got a little bit of remodeling to do, but we're getting there. If the video looks a little choppy here and there, it's because we're pretty far away from where we're sitting. There's a Buick that we're putting a 1,400 horsepower 427 LS in with a Whipple supercharger. I hope I got all that right. That's the truck. We just put a new Coyote motor in that Ford, I think.
That truck right there got a Pro Charger.
Pro Charger. I'm the sales guy up front. I'm the sales dude that does all that. So I just doing the best I can back here, and I think that's
Yes, the engine going in the Blazer.
Jamie's going to town on the firewall. We're putting, what are we putting in that Blazer, Corey?
Hellcat.
A Hellcat going in a Blazer. There's a 63 Falcon that we're rebuilding the carburetor on. There's one of Corey's little kids' toys right there on the left. It's a really nice facility. Going back up front now. Like I say, we're in Eldon Mo, 52 and 54 Junction, 167 Hayes Drive. And you can call us at 573-693-7223. You never know what we're going to have here. And keep checking our website out for things that's happening. We're getting ready to have another big blowout car show burnout contest for $500 October 25th. The last one we had was huge, way bigger than what we thought. So we're learning a lot around here, but we're getting it down. TheRaceShop.com. We're always looking for cool old specialty cars, classic cars. We got motorcycles. There's Courtney and maybe the FedEx lady. Man, Cory might be able to get another job of drone flying.
Second time.
Yeah. Right before we put the final wax on the floor, Cory's partner, Russell, wanted to do a big burnout in his square body, that brown one that was back on the lift. So a lot of people like the way we did that. There's a nice 57 Ford that just got a carburetor rebuilt. It's ready to go. And Cory's just playing now, but we'll just go along with it. That's a 396 big block on the left. Oop, there's our bathrooms on the left. Don't hit.
Well, show's over, folks.
Show's over, folks. Always remember, stand on it, buckle up when Cory's driving.
I'm gonna test it. You ready? Look, Tater, can you see the screen?
Yes. We're looking at Courtney's ass right now. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry about that.
Wait a minute, what's this mean? It says aircraft enhanced warning, fly.
All right, how do I record?